Months of planning, thousands of kilometers, and one epic adventure. With our trusty beast loaded to the roof, the cameras rolling, we leave Cape Town behind and point our wheels north towards the wild heart of Africa.
As long as it's not a mistake.
It's a little wet this morning.
This is an 11,000 kilometer expedition transiting 3 countries into some of the most remote and untamed places on Earth. Here we go.
On the road again.
On the road. Diesel, there's a shortage. Everyone's queuing up with jerry cans. We'll eat Kalahari dust for breakfast, spend our days baking under the African sun. We'll rattle our way over endless corrugations, get stuck in bog holes, and squeeze through dense bush, feeling every scratch on the beast.
Oh, that's
It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be bumpy. It'll probably test our patience and occasionally our sanity. Every kilometer takes us further from the familiar and deeper into the unknown. Will the beast make it? Will the roads be passable? Have the diesel pumps run dry? More importantly, have we finally bitten off more than we can chew? Flapjack time!
Yeah.
There's only one way to find out. We are Christoph and Diane and have a taste for adventure. This is Sultanic Life, and this is our tale of survival as we pushed to our absolute limits, donating blood to tsetse flies and getting lost in the middle of nowhere.
Let's just get out of here.
If this speaks to your soul, then dial down and tune in as we venture deep into the heart of Africa for this season of Zambia Unbound. After all, what could possibly go wrong? And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please. We value your subscriptions.
Support.
And
We feel the
support.
love, and it's a free way to support us.